So now step 15 is to use the hole tool. So we have kind of a map with these rectangles of where our holes need to go. And what we're going to do now is add those holes. And so we're going to click on the hole tool and then left click on the four corners of each of the rectangles. And so this is not serving as a sketch, so we do not need to make a new sketch. We're doing something to something that already exists. So we come up here, we find the hole tool, which is that one right there. And we're going to zoom in a little bit so it's easier to see. But when I click on each one of these corners, it's going to create a hole. Now, there's something important to know about when we make a hole. We're going to get this big menu right here, which is going to say countersink through ANSI clearance number 10 free. It's all about what type of hole is created. So if we look let's see if I can get to it. If we look at these right here, notice how this doesn't have anything cut away at the top, but this does. That's called a countersink. We can also set the degrees of the countersink, how wide the hole is, all sorts of different things. And so it's important for us to understand that a hole is not just a hole. A hole has a lot of parameters that need to be set up for it to be the correct hole for the job. And so I'm just going to quickly look over this. I think that we're going to have everything correct. It's just going to be default 201.411, 201.411, 82 degrees, 82 degrees, ANSI clearance number 10 free. So all that stuff matches, and so we are in good shape. Those are the four correct type of hole. And so you can see here again, it's countersunk, which means the top of the hole is not flat. There's kind of a ramp leading down into the hole there. And so we got them on the left side. We need to make four more holes. And I don't know why this did this, so I'm going to start over. Go ahead and drop a hole on all four corners of both rectangles. And we click the check mark when we are done. Now we have a board that's full of holes.